Hi everyone, I just got my new iPhone 16 Pro. Today I'm gonna compare these two iPhone cages. One is from SmallRig, the other one is from Neewer. They both have similar price, similar design. If you want to use your iPhone to make some serious filmmaking, please watch this video and let's find out which one fits your needs better. Before we dive into the details of these phone cages, firstly I want to talk about who is this for. Honestly, this is my first time thinking about buying a phone cage. Usually I shoot with my mirrorless camera Canon R8, but sometimes I just don't want to bring so many stuffs. Camera, lenses, batteries, ND filter, adapter ring for ND filters, SSD, microphone, tripod. That's a lot. They're just too heavy. Sometimes I want to travel light, especially when I go hiking or hang out with my friends. I just don't want to have my camera bag with me. But I do want to capture some cinematic footage. In that case, I started thinking about using my iPhone. I saw some filmmakers post their made an iPhone video online, and the quality was just amazing. So it got me wonder, how far can I push my iPhone into serious filmmaking? This is where these phone cages come in. They are perfect for run and gun shoot and can be a reliable big camera set when I have my mirrorless camera with me. So if you are just like me, want some portable yet capable filmmaking tool, stick around, this video is for you. Alright, the first cage is from Neewer. This one is $38 for iPhone 16 Pro and $39 for Pro Max. This is the Black Friday sales on Amazon. I don't know how long it's gonna last. Okay, let's weight this one. So the cage alone is 105 grams. It's not too heavy, and if you buy the cage, it will comes with these 3 back plates. You can change it to adapt to different lenses and filters. And let's see this cage. There is a lock and unlock button right here. If you unlock it and open it, you can just slide your phone inside here. There is a silicone insert inside, so it's very easy to swipe your phone here. It's very smooth and we just lock it. We're good to go. Okay, let's check the cage. Firstly, there is a wrist strap if you want to do handheld and get extra security. There are some 1/4 screw holes on here if you want to put your accessories on it. The button is very easy to touch. And there is a cold shoe mount and there is another one. So if you want to put your microphone here, it's very easy to use. You can just slide in and you can still charge your phone or put your SSD, the cable right here. One thing I really love about this cage is that we all know iPhone 16 comes with the action button. And if you put this cage on, you cannot actually use that button. But this one, you can just take it off. And then you can still use your action button. Some people may don't want to use it, but this is another option. You have the choice to do so. And if you don't want to use it, you can just put it back on. It doesn't matter. Another choice is always a good thing, right? This cage is made of aluminum. It has premium build quality. And I think it can prevent any damage if you drop your phone. And it has a hollow bag, so if you want to use your MagSafe or you want to put a battery here, you can definitely do it. And then let's talk about handles. The handles has its quick release system, so you just press the button here and then you can put it on. One more extra step, you have to use your finger to rotate it in order to lock it. And then if you want to detach it, you have to rotate it again and then press the button. So there are actually 2 steps. 1, 2, you're good to go. And this one is the same. Press the button, attach it, lock it, and then you can do some smooth shot. It's very good. And if you want to use it as a top handle, you have to unlock it first and then press it and put it right here and then lock it. This handle is 360 degrees, so you can do whatever shoot you want. It's very easy to use. Some people complain about this is not a really quick release because it had 2 steps. You have to attach it and unlock it, and then you have to unlock it and detach it. They are not really quick release, but I don't think this is a very big problem for me But if you do mind, this is the thing. Yeah, it needs 2 steps. And one more thing about handles is the cage only comes with 2 cold shoe mount. One right here and one right here. If you have more accessories you want to put it on, you can put on the handles here. Just take this one off and there is another cold shoe mount. And this handle right here is a Bluetooth handle. So I can just press this button and my phone is automatically start recording. It's very convenient. And I can take it off too. In that case, if I want to shoot from distance, I can just press the button. It's very easy. If you want to get cinematic footage out from your phone, the most important thing is ND filter. So this black plate is the reason why I want to buy a cage. This brand Neewer is well known for its quick release black plate. You can just put it on here and then okay, lock it. Then you can put your, this is an adapter ring, and then you can put your ND filters. They don't have magnetic field system, so you have just to screw it on. Love this design because it's easy to drop if you use magnetic filters. And this one is very solid. You cannot drop it. I don't have extra lenses now, so I don't use this black plate. But if you do have lenses, you can just easily put it inside and easily to lock it. If you want to use your iPhone to do some filmmaking and put your accessories on it, I think this one is really good. But if you want to use it for daily use, I won't recommend it because it's kind of too big. I think it's bigger than the Pro Max and it's a little bit heavy for daily use. If you just want to scroll in your phone, you don't need to put this cage on. Alright, let's talk about second one. This one is from SmallRig. This cage alone is $39.99. And let's check the weight. 98 grams is slightly lighter than the Neewer one. Let's try it. I bought a combo, so it comes with a phone case. And then I can just put my phone in the phone case first. The phone case can go into the cage, so it's a little bit different. The way to open the cage is different from the Neewer one, so I have to unlock it first and then just put my phone with my phone case right here. And then press the button here to lock it so that my phone drop out. The good thing about this one is that you can put in the cage with your phone case, so you have some protection on the back. Let me try if I still can use that MagSafe system. Let's see. Yeah, it's good. It's good. I can still use that MagSafe. So yeah, it's an advantage. I can put my phone case inside the cage. And then let's see the features here. And it also has some 1/4 screw holes here and cold shoe mount here. I can put my microphone right here. It's a little bit loose, but it won't drop, I think. It also has the wrist strap here. And then what else? Okay, I think there are one more cold shoe mount on this cage. This one, and third one on the back. I noticed one thing different about these two cages is that if you want to use that action button on your iPhone, I don't think SmallRig can do that because you cannot really touch the action button here. So it's kind of an issue if you want to use that action button. Besides that, I think the biggest difference is that the way they open the cage. Okay, let's see the handles. So the SmallRig handles comes in that. I have to assemble it myself, and Neewer one they already assembled it for me, so it's a little bit complicated if you don't want to assemble it yourself. I think the quick release handle from SmallRig is better because it's only one step. You press button and then you put it in. You just release your hand. It's already locked. And the Neewer one has 2 steps. The handle is basically the same thing if you want to make it top handle. The handle is also 360 degrees. And if you want to have more cold shoe mount. You can take it off, and this is another cold shoe mount. This is also a Bluetooth remote control. Okay, and then let's check out the backplate system. There is the problems comes in. Because I want to use my ND filter, so I have to put this adapter ring on my cage. But the thing is that if I use my phone case from SmallRig, I cannot really put this thing on. And I have to unlock it and then take off my phone case and then put this thing on. And then put it inside so that I can use this adapter ring. This is very complicated. I don't know why they designed it this way. At first, I think I can use this phone case as daily use and I can just put it inside the cage. It's very cool. It's very convenient, but I cannot do that. And I have to do everything again. I asked the salesperson from SmallRig. They said they also have a magnetic adapter ring if you want to use your phone case. So you can just snap it on, boom, good to go. But if you want to change the mount here, you have to use two hands because otherwise you are just turn around and around because this is magnetic. Yeah, so good and bad. Another problem is that if you want to use it in some extreme situation, like you want to use it when you ski or do snowboarding or do surfing, it might be easy to drop. I feel it's a little bit loose. So in my opinion, this magnetic filter system is actually a shortage. I forgot to mention SmallRig just launched a co-designed one with filmmaker Brandon Lee. It has different colors, is dark green and has signature on it, so it's kind of cooler. But besides that, the cages are basically the same thing. Okay, so let's talk about the difference between these two cages. The first thing is that the way to open this is very different. The newer one, you can just slide it inside, and the SmallRig one, you have to put this one on your iPhone first and then just put it from the side. And then the second difference is that if you want to use your action button, you can use it on Neewer cage, but you cannot use it on SmallRig at all. So this is a big disadvantage. And then about the handles, as you can tell, the SmallRig one is much bigger than the Neewer one. So if you got small hand, you might want to use this one. If you got big hand, this one might be more comfortable. And the quick release system, the SmallRig one definitely is better because it's only in one steps. And for the Neewer one, there are actually two steps. You have to put it on and then lock it. And the handle, they all can do 360 rotation. So there is not really a big difference. And both of the handles can be used as the cold shoe mount. Another difference is the adapter ring. Adapter ring on Neewer is definitely better. The last difference is the filter system. If you use the Neewer filters, you have to screw it down. And if you use SmallRig, it's magnetic, but it's kind of loose and dangerous in some scenarios. So it depends on your needs. So which one wins the game? For me, it's definitely Neewer is better because I really like the way I can slide my phone inside the cage. And also, I may need to use the action button in the future. I'm not familiar with that yet, but I want to have the option to do so. And I like the small handles right here, even though it takes 2 steps to make the quick release. But I don't think it is a big problem because I can only use one finger to finish the second step. I think it's not a big deal. So, which one would you pick? Please leave a comment and let me know what do you think. What do you like or dislike about these 2 cages? I'm going to use this setup, go out and do some real film tests. If you are interested, please hit the subscribe button below. I'll see you on the next one.